Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important. There is a big update from the Accenture team that is related to online exam. So as we all know about that, some of the previous exams of Accenture is in the physical mode, means in the offline mode, but now there is a change that they are sending the virtual assessment slot. So it is a good news for all of you. Okay, so you not need to go to any center or any venue. This is a direct opportunity. So one of the most important point, what about the updated syllabus and pattern? Big update for 22-23 batch. Exam date is 31st October and 1 November, as well as salary is also changed. Okay, don't worry about that. If you applied for AAC role, so the package is similar to AAC, but now the role is changed. It is a package app development associate and it is similar to AAC. The package is 4.6 lakh to 4.8 LPA. So we already made some good videos for all of you that is related to the Accenture complete playlist. In the complete playlist we mentioned that how to start preparation for Accenture, what are the syllabus strategy, what are the exam pattern, free resources you can check. Okay, so this type of slots are available for the 31st October and 1 November. You have to choose your slot. So basically this is a mail that is related to the Accenture. Okay, so like Accenture, choose your virtual assessment slot. Okay, means virtual assessment means you can you can give examination from your home or any suitable place. So we are in the process of scheduling your virtual assessment as part of package development associate hiring. Please click here for available slot and choose one as per availability. You have to select slot by 30 October 10 AM. It is very important. You can't change later. So you have to select your slot carefully. Okay. So I create one poll on our latest WhatsApp group. So basically only 10 candidates mention that like Accenture virtual assessment slot mail they receive. Okay. So basically I talked to some of the candidates. They applied on 14th October and they got the slot as a 31st October and 1 November as we see in the video. So basically like on the official website. So basically the assessment contains of cognitive and technical assessment and there is a 90 minutes to answer 90 questions. You will be notified about the result within 5 to 10 minutes immediate. After that there is a browser must be active at all time, and upon clearing stage 1 you must participate in the coding assessment. You will get 45 minutes to complete 2 coding question. Pattern, exam pattern, all thing is very similar and it is similar. Okay, not very similar, it is same. Okay, so basically it is same. Like first is cognitive and technical assessment, after that there is a coding assessment, and like one of the most important point, you are required to meet the section and subsection cutoff in our assessment to considered for further round. So I already mentioned in my previous video that there is a sectional cutoff as well as subsectional cutoff. Coding assessment is of 45 minutes and after that communication assessment interview. So basically hiring is active. This is a good news that Accenture is conducting the virtual assessment again. So I hope this video is helpful for everyone. You can check the direct preparation videos on our channel and you can check the description. I am just adding the link is in the description. So best wishes for the examination. If you have any query, let me know that in the comment section, as well as in the upcoming days, is there any update? Surely I will share with all of you. Thanks for watching the video.